low rate elevator.
Okay.
And I'm doing that because I think you're probably a hot shot pilot, and you might want to flip those up after you get a feel for it.
Okay.
But we'll do low rates first. Okay. Taking off. Yeah, she seems to be trained for me. Ready? It's all you. You want to go to high?
Let me see the low. The elevator is actually pretty responsive.
No, you're fine. My bad.
A little lower, Fitz.
A little lower?
Yep.
Okay.
A little slower.
Yeah, she'll slow right down.
Slow down. Okay.
Yeah, I think I've seen them. They were all doing high alpha passes. It was great.
You won't get high alpha with these throws. But you won't need it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Yeah.
And then you can kick in the guts. And it'll go straight up. You get jet performance with none of the jet anxiety.
That's great. But I didn't have to do that. I didn't
Low pass. Yep.